What's the meaning of brittleness? Brittleness. Brittleness.
Brittleness. Brittleness. Brittleness refers to a material's tendency to fracture or break when subjected to stress, rather than bending or deforming. A brittle material is typically lacking in ductility and toughness. When a brittle material is subjected to a force that exceeds its strength, it will immediately fracture. This can have serious consequences in engineering and manufacturing fields where brittleness can lead to unexpected failures of structures. In addition, brittle materials typically have limited use in applications where they may be exposed to impact, vibration, or thermal shock. For these reasons, materials with higher ductility and toughness are often preferred in many applications.